Hello everyone, it's Mark and welcome back. In this video, I want to talk to you about how we would handle an eating disorder case. So just recently, we had a call from a family who had a 25-year-old daughter. She was dealing with issues of anxiety, depression, but also bulimia. She wasn't eating. When she did, she was throwing up. It was just a horrible situation. So what she said to us was, well, we'd like to either Marchman Act or a Baker Act. And I said, hold on a second. I don't think either one of those tools is going to be what you really want. And we got into a whole discussion about how long this has been going on for. And like many of the families that we chat with, this has been going on for years and years and years. They've tried to get their daughter to go into treatment voluntarily. On the odd occasion she's gone in, she never stays longer than a week. And when she does, they're sort of right back to square one. And I said, look, I get it. Even if she's using, you could in theory Marchman Act her, but it's not what she needs, okay? Because it's just not the right tool for the job. And if you're going to Baker Act her, you're almost certainly going to call me crying within 72 hours because one of two things are going to happen. Either they're going to let her go or they're going to file to keep her. And now your daughter is a permanent ward of the state. Not what you want. So the tool that we use here in our office is the Guardianship, right? And I know I've talked about this, ad infinitum. I think the Guardianship is a fantastic tool. If you check on the website, you'll see another video about us filing an ex parte guardianship, which is, really, unbelievable stuff for my unbelievable legal work with my partner Audra. But the guardianship is going to give you the maximum amount of control, and whether or not there's substance use there or not there, it really is irrelevant. The guardianship process is going to give you ultimate control. Okay, it means you can put your loved one into treatment, you can keep her there for a significant period of time, you can make sure she's med compliant, you can get access to her medical records, you can control where she lives. All these wonderful tools. If you decide to send her out of state, you can look to domesticate. In other words, get a foreign state to recognize the guardianship. If you have a guardianship from another state, we can domesticate here in Florida. We do that all the time, and that way you have a court order here in Florida that that a Florida court would recognize, and you can enforce it here if your loved one's coming for treatment. So when it comes to eating disorders, the guardianship is a wonderful tool. It's wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And if you have a loved one who's dealing with that, the horrible disease, with an eating disorder, we'd love to chat with you. Anyway, with that said, thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.